Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma physics channel. Dear students, I have been getting off and on students doubt. So since he is your teacher Vipin Sharma, I mean me, so I'm always with you. So one of the student has given me a question, and let me tell you, I upload the doubts in the two versions. One is in English and the other is in Hindi. So one of the student has sent a question to me. I'll explain. You can write it down. There is a parked car. There is a parked car, and parked car is having side mirror, convex side mirror of radius of curvature 2 meter. Correct. A jogger is coming towards that car. Okay, is jogging with a speed of 5 meter per second. With a speed of 5 meter per second. How fast the image of the jogger appear to move when the jogger is 39 meter away. You know, when you solve a numerical, the first step is USS. USS means understanding of the statement. What is statement? There is a parked car and the car has got a side mirror, convex mirror. As you know, its view is very large, 2 meter. And you are sitting in the car and looking that a jogger is jogging towards the car with a speed of 5 meter per second. Okay. Now, what will be the shift in the position of the image when the jogger is 39 meter away? Okay, the jogger is 39 meter, means how fast the image of the jogger appear to move when he is 39 meter away. Hope the statement is clear. Now, obviously, we will be using the mirror equation. Some people call it mirror formula. Yes, sir, but I call it a mirror equation. I call it a mirror equation. So 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. So what is V? That is Fu upon U minus F. Now, students, for convex mirror, R is equal to 2 meter. Right? So what is focal length? R by 2, that is 1 meter. Since the jogger moves with a speed of 5 meter per second, right? Now, for convex mirror, what is U? Minus 39 meter. So, what is V then, students? F, that is 1, U, that is minus 39, U, that is minus 39, F is minus 1. This is minus 39 upon minus 40. So, V is equal to 39 upon 40. Since the jogger moves with a constant speed of 5 meter per second, since the jogger moves with a constant speed of 5 meter per second, so after 1 second, what is the position of the jogger? After 1 second, the position of the jogger, U equal to minus 39 in 5 meter per second, in 1 second is 5 meter, that is minus 5. U is equal to minus 40 meter. Hope it is clear. No, 39 minus 5. 39, it will reach here. It will be minus 34 meter. I'm sorry. It's running towards it. So minus 39 plus 5, it is 34 meter. So it means V dash will be minus, 34 upon 35 if we put here. So what is the apparent position shift? What is the shift? The shift is equal to 39 upon 40 minus 34 upon 35. This is 1 upon 280 meter. Hope it is clear, students. It's a good question. Now an exercise for you. What is his position shift? What is the shift when he is just 19 meter away? Right? Solve it. Send me the answer. So students, hope this problem is clear in 6 minutes and 22 seconds. Thank you all. Put it into the ray optics concept of the convex mirror.